This is the video setup guide for the Aerogen Solo on the dry side of the humidifier. Place the Aerogen Solo firmly into the T-piece and ensure it's in the correct orientation. Insert the T-piece with the connected Aerogen Solo on the dry side of the humidifier. Connect the Aerogen controller, which powers the Aerogen Solo and controls the timing options. Add the prescribed medication to the Aerogen Solo and close the cap. Press the on-off button on the Pro X controller for 1 second to select the 30-minute mode. Press the on-off button on the USB controller for 3 seconds from the off position to select the 6-hour mode. Visually check that aerosol is being produced. For further help, please visit us at aerogen.com.